Welcome back. You're watching News Now. Now it's expected to be an action-packed next week, especially for the stock markets. Here is Vinny taking us through what the big cues are.
So next week is an action-packed week that we are looking at now, both on domestic and global front. Earnings also started, so that is also going to add to more of the action. Now on the domestic front, we do have on October 12th, that's the beginning of the week, we have two listings, Mazagaon Dock as well as UTI AMC. Mazagaon Dock listing is 157 times oversubscribed, while UTI AMC is also seen a good subscription. Both these listings are something we are going to watch out for. Moving on October 12th, we also have other data like CPI data, IIP data, as well as the GST Council meet is also on October 12th. So a very power-packed beginning to the week. Then at the end of the week, we do have WPI data and import-export data. Now, obviously, other than that, we do have results like I mentioned before. So Nifty earnings, we have Wipro, Infosys, HCL Tech. While other than Nifty, we do have Karnataka Bank, Federal Bank, Bajaj Consumers, and Philip Carbon are some of the companies that will be posting their earnings next week. Global front, in US, we do have the CPI as well as the initial jobless claims coming in next week. While overall in China, we are looking at an FDI data which will be going on from 10th October to 18th October, the foreign direct investments on a year-on-year basis. This is something that will be coming out between this time, so that is something we're going to watch out for, and the CPI data for China on October 15th. Now, other important global events we have is obviously the meetings between the Indian Monetary Fund and the World Bank group will be from October 12th to October 18th, and here we'll be having key speakers like Christine Lagarde, the president of ECB, as well as Sundar Pichai, some of the big names who are going to be talking at this event. These meetings, so that is something that we're going to watch out for. Then on October 12th, the UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson has set a deadline of Thursday, so next week we'll be surely watching out for the Brexit endgame and what is the deal finally coming out over there. On October 13th, the International Monetary Fund is going to be coming out, releasing its World Economic Outlook, and that is something we're going to keep an eye out for. As well as on October 14th, Apple is going to release 4 new phones and launch 4 new phones which are featuring the 5G feature. As well as, on October 15th, there was going to be a debate between President Trump and Joe Biden. Now, that is, most likely not going to happen, as President Trump has said that he will not do a virtual debate and he rather do a rally. So we could see a rally from Trump's side while Biden could be taking the voters' questions. So these are the important events that we are going to watch out for.